when you are about to export the project you've worked hard for all day. This happens. No worries. You can still export your project so that it can still make its way to YouTube and earn views. To do this, you need to search for the Wondershare Filmora 9 application. Right-click on it, and then select Uninstall. This time, let us search for Wondershare Helper Compact, which can be found at the bottom part of the program selection. Right-click on it, and then uninstall. Now that the Wonder Helper Compact is gone, we can now go back to our project. Now, what we need to find is the offline help from the help menu. But as in my case, there is no such option from my help menu, so I'll be skipping that part. Next, we'll be going to search for Filmora license email and key on the internet. So let's type in here, Filmora registration key and email. Alright, so we have here some results. Let us click on the first web page. Okay geeks, so now we basically have our email and key for Filmora 9. Next mission, turn off the internet connection. Now that the internet is off, let's go back once again to our project. Go to Register menu, and then copy the license email and key that we have searched a while ago. Alright geeks, the moment has come. Let's now click on the register button. And finally, you can now export your project with no worries and with no watermark. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Geek Hub channel. The geeks must have.